just played is True Colors by Cyndi Lauper. It's a popular favorite in my studio, and I'm going to be hosting a workshop for Paloma Piano Platinum and Platinum Basic members that's going to show you how I teach this song step by step to my students, mostly online. Most of them are online, without using sheet music. I did do a lead sheet just for your reference. It's posted at Sheet Music Plus. The link is below because I don't have a copyright for that arrangement. So you can purchase the sheet music there if you'd like. Also, links for registration to the workshop are there if you're already a Platinum member. If you're not yet a Platinum member, there's also a link to the Platinum level membership, which at Paloma Piano means you get everything on our website, including these workshops, which I plan to do a few this year. So just check the description below, and I hope to see you at the workshop.